Hi there, students. Fidelity, a noun. Normally uncountable. I guess it could be uncountable. Let's see, fidelity talks about the quality of loyalty, the quality of faithfulness. Okay, so fidelity, it talks about being trustworthy. Yeah, faithfulness to a cause or a belief or a person, continuing loyalty and support. Okay, so that's the idea of fidelity. Yeah, is somebody you can trust. Yeah, is loyalty to a person or a set of beliefs. This means you can trust them. They are a stalwart follower. Yeah, they have integrity and devotion. Fidelity. Okay, if her husband was an unfaithful partner. He went off with other women. So there was no fidelity. Fidelity from your partner is not having relationships with other people. Okay, if you want fidelity in a relationship, then clearly it's probably a very important relationship to you. Okay, so fidelity in marriage, to be faithful. Now, we also use fidelity to talk about the exactness of a copy of something. So I'm sure you all know the word hi-fi, high fidelity. Okay, this means that what is actually played is it corresponds very closely to exactly the music that was played when the recording was made. Okay, so it's high quality and high detail. Yeah, that the copy is exact. Yeah, the input and the output are the same or almost the same. Okay, a good printer can reproduce photographs with amazing fidelity. Okay, so fidelity, the degree which a system accurately reproduces an input. Yeah, so it's accuracy. Yeah, it exactly corresponds to something else. Okay, so the film was a version of the book. It was based on the book, and there was a great deal of fidelity to the book. Yeah, it tried to follow exactly what happened. Yeah, it corresponds with something. So a witness who says, I saw this happen, you need to think about the fidelity of this witness or the fidelity of what they're saying. If it corresponds exactly with what happened, if it's accurate or if it's not accurate. Okay, so it's faithfulness to the truth. Yeah, it's saying exactly what happened. I think one of the problems with advertising is they play games with fidelity. They don't lie, but they give impressions, yeah, and of things that you imagine, but they don't actually say them. Okay, so fidelity. The fidelity of a translation is how accurate it is, the accuracy, the precision. So a high fidelity translation from one language into another, I think, is almost impossible. Yeah, or you could make a report, and the fidelity of that report is an important factor. Can you trust it or not? Is it close to what happened? Does it show things clearly? So let's see. Fidelity to a movement, a political party, yeah, devotion to duty, following your obligations, loyalty, yeah, your fidelity to your life partner, faithfulness, you don't go off with other people, fidelity, accuracy in detail, something that reports the truth. And then in electronics is the difference between the input and the output. Yeah, something that accurately reproduces the input, and that's high fidelity. Okay, fidelity. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality, maybe even a 6.5. Faithful, trustworthy, an exact copy, something like that, I might say informally. Devotion, yeah, some dependability. That's probably a good informal one. So use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, and something very formal. And then as to origin, well, this comes from fidelitas in Latin, yeah, from fidelis, faithful, from fides, faith, loyalty, yeah. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fidelity.